Hello everybody, today I'm going to do an unboxing for you of the iPad 8, okay? Now this one here is not mine, this is for my sister. I still have my iPad 7 and I probably might keep that for a while as 32 gigs is a lot of space and it's served me quite well. Okay, so now the iPad 8 is also known as the 6th generation iPad. Now that's the 6th generation iPad Classic. Okay, the iPad Air 1 and iPad Air 2 count apparently, so they were the iPad 5 and iPad 6. So the iPad 7, which I have, was the 5th generation, and now we have the iPad 8, which is the 6th gen. Okay, so this is my sister's new iPad. So she got the iPhone XR, which I reviewed in the last video, but now we're going to take a look at her new tablet. Now this one here, of course, is the I think this is the space grey version. Now, of course, would a girl go with space grey? Usually they go for silver or gold. Apparently, Tess, when she got her iPhone, she got this for free with it. Okay, so she got two for the price of one. How cool was that? Okay, that's the luck. Must be good for Christmas because it is Christmas summer holidays. So we're going to take a look at a new iPad, and this one here is the is 32 gigabyte, and this one is the 4G version. So this one has 4G, and we also get this included, an Optus SIM, which we need to put into it. Okay, and I'll do that in this video. So let's cut this thing open now. Unlike the iPhone where you got the strip put out, this one you still need to cut it open. So I've got my little knob removal tool here, and we'll use this to cut it open. Now this is actually her second iPad. She had the iPad 3 previously, so she's finally upgrading to the up-to-date iPad. And this iPad 8 is also the first iPad Classic to have Apple Pencil capability. So I don't think she got the pencil though. She would have to buy it separate apparently. So it's just like the iPad Pro. Okay, so I'll get this plastic off here. I'll throw that in the bin. Just throw this in the bin. There we go. Alright, so just be sure this is in the camera. So let's lift the lid up. Okay, being a bit shy. Oh, there we go. You got to stick your fingers underneath. So there's the lid. Off it comes. And here we have the iPad 8 itself. Okay. We have our tabber to lift up, and there it is. Okay, it looks just like my iPad 7. Okay, except this is the 8th generation iPad, or the 6th generation, whatever. Okay, so here we have the bottom. It's got the Touch ID button, of course. This iPad still has it. Okay. On this side here, we have our headphone jack. We also have on the back our 4G antenna right there. If you buy the 4G version, you get this black panel. If it's the silver or gold, you get a white panel. We have our volume buttons, so up and low. We also get our camera, and on the bottom we have the SIM card slot. Okay, so we'll take this plastic off. Okay, we'll take it out of the package. Throw that away. So there it is, brand new iPad 8, looking sharp. Okay, so we'll set this aside. Okay, in the box, we get our instructions, okay, on how to set the iPad up. Okay, just get it all out of here, okay. So here we have our instructions, okay, and we also get the SIM removal tool as well, so we're going to be using that because we need to put the SIM card in. And then we get our Apple stickers, okay, which are not colour matched. We also get our lightning cable, okay, which is very nice, and we also get a 10-watt USB-A charging adapter. Okay, so just take this packaging plastic off of it if I can. Okay, so this is our plug for it. This is a 10-watt USB-A wall plug. Okay, so here it is, and it is USB-A. It's not USB-C like the iPad Pro. Okay, since the iPad Pro does not use USB-A or Lightning anymore, the iPad Pro 3 it uses USB-C. So this is the charging plug that comes with it, and this is actually the newer one. Okay, as you can see, it's got the new style prongs on it, the new design, since the old design, the round one, was recalled. Okay, so that's all there is in the box. So now we are going to put the SIM card in. Okay, so we're going to use the SIM removal tool that came with the iPad, and we're going to put the SIM card in. Alright, so, and I do believe that this one here is the nano SIM, the smallest one. So the Apple Optus have included all the sizes. Okay, we'll just find the slot. It's it's on the other side. Yep. Got to be careful not to scratch the screen up. Okay, because this is not my iPad. And I do believe my sister will need to purchase a case for it. Okay, we pop that out. Let me just get it on camera here. I'll just need some more room here. There we go. Now you can see the iPad. Okay, I've covered up the SIM thing. Okay, there's our SIM card tray, and it is the nano SIM. So we have to pop the nano SIM out. Okay, so this part here is no good to us. We need the nano SIM, so we need the smallest SIM. So we need to get it out. So there's the standard SIM. So now we're on to micro, but we need nano. So we need to go one more. If I can do it. Yep, off it comes. Okay, so there's our SIM card. So we're going to put it into the tray. Okay, now we're going to stick it into the iPad. Okay, you can see that. Stick it in. Okay, now the SIM card's installed. So now we're ready to go. The SIM card is now in place, so I'm going to put the SIM removal tool back on the tray. There we go. Alright, so now we guess we better fire this thing up for the first time. So here we go. And of course, this iPad still has the headphone jack. The iPad Pro 3 does not. So there you go. If you buy the iPad Pro 3, be aware there's no headphone jack. So you would need, and there's also currently no Apple EarPods that have the USB-C. Okay, and there it is. And as you can see, it is searching for service. So, and it's come up as no service, but never mind. Sister will sort that out. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the iPad 8, 64 gigabyte. Oh no, this is the 32 gigabyte black with 4G. So I hope you enjoyed, and that'll be it.